Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas crackers kids is probably one of the most anticipated parts of Christmas celebrations for children, filled with exciting toys, treats, and jokes that create lasting memories. Finding the perfect crackers can be tricky, though, as you want to ensure they're age-appropriate, safe, and offer a fun experience for all the little ones involved. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the ideal Christmas crackers for kids, ensuring a joyous and memorable holiday season for everyone. Number 5. Christmas Cracker Kit, 50 packs. Get ready for the holidays with 50 festive Christmas crackers. Each one is ready for you to personalize and fill with treats. These crackers feature classic Christmas designs like snowflakes and reindeer in shimmering gold. They'll add a touch of elegance to your celebration. It's easy to assemble these crackers. Simply fold along the creases and tie with the included ribbons. Add your own small gifts or treats inside. Use them as party favors, place cards, or unique gift boxes. They're perfect for adding a special touch to your Christmas dinner or party. Made from sturdy paper and durable ribbon, these crackers are built to last. The smooth finish gives them a premium look and feel. What we like? It's a bulk pack of 50 adorable Christmas crackers, perfect for large gatherings. You get to personalize them with your own treats and gifts, making it a unique party favor. If you're hosting a big Christmas party and want a memorable, customizable party favor, this is the one for you. What people say. They are made from high-quality heavy thick cardstock. The gold is beautiful and the ribbons match perfectly. They have a nice shine on both sides which makes tying the bow easy. The quality of the paper is incredible, nice, thick and durable. The colors are lovely with the dark green burgundy and gold. They pop super well when you open them and even make the small popping noise from the paper. Number 4. JOYIN Christmas Party Favors. It's a great deal. You get 8 festive party favors, each with a unique design and fun surprises inside. These charming red and green snowflake designs will add a touch of holiday cheer to your Christmas celebration. They're perfect for any family gathering. Each pack includes a party hat, a Christmas joke, and a fun little gift. There are many different gifts to discover. The gifts range from keyrings and bottle openers to puzzles and more. It's a delightful surprise for everyone. Made with safe, high-quality materials, these party favors are perfect for kids and adults alike. Enjoy the festivities without worry. Customer satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, please contact us. We want to make sure you have a joyful holiday season. What we like? This pack offers a convenient and fun option with 8 ready-to-use crackers. Each cracker includes a small surprise gift, ensuring excitement for everyone. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to add festive fun to your Christmas gathering, this is a great choice. What people say. These crackers have become our family tradition for Christmas. The jokes are lighthearted and toys are great quality. The crowns are all the same with a shiny gold finish on the paper. They are made from a sturdy paper material, no one's crown ripped. Furthermore, they actually fit the adults, but because of the way the fold was, they stayed on our 7-year-old, too. The most surprising part is the quality of the metal used to make the surprises. It is actually a durable metal. My husband plans to use the little screwdriver on his keychain for eyeglass repair. Number 3. JOYIN Christmas Party Favors. Get ready to unbox 12 festive party favors. Each one is filled with a fun surprise, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to your celebrations. This set offers incredible value with 12 unique party favors. Each includes a party hat, a Christmas joke, and a fun, random gift. They're designed with beautiful red and white snowflakes. It's a visually appealing and festive addition to any Christmas gathering. These aren't just party favors, they're thoughtful gifts. The set includes a variety of fun and useful items like keychains, puzzles, and more. Rest assured, these party favors are made from safe, high-quality materials, perfect for both kids and adults. Enjoy the festivities without worry. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us. Let's make this Christmas unforgettable. What we like? Get 12 festive crackers, each filled with a fun surprise. It's a great value for the number of crackers and gifts included. If you need more party favors and want a wider variety of gifts, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Great fun at holiday party. Everyone pop them open and put on the paper hats inside. I did not realize when I made this purchase that these had a secret prize inside. It also has a small piece of paper with a fun little joke on it. These were a big hit for us at Christmas time. Prizes in crackers were good. All did not pop correctly but were fine. Family enjoyed them. Number 2. JOYIN Christmas Party Favor. It's a great deal. You get 10 of these festive 10-inch party favors, each filled with fun surprises. These aren't your average party favors. They feature 5 adorable Christmas characters, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer. Each one comes with a party hat, a Christmas joke, and a fun little toy or gift. It's a delightful surprise for everyone. They're ideal for Christmas celebrations, birthdays, or any special occasion. Spread the holiday joy. These favors are unique. They don't have the traditional snap closure, making them easy to open. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not completely happy, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. With 10 charming Christmas-themed crackers, it's perfect for smaller gatherings or families. The adorable designs add a touch of whimsy to your celebration. If you prefer cute and festive designs, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The quality of the toys inside were fairly decent compared to the crackers I'm used to. There was even a fully functional little Rubik's Cube in one of the crackers, so I was quite impressed with the contents. The crackers themselves were attractive, the hats good quality and the jokes fun. Each favor comes adorned with cute Christmas characters, from jolly Santas to playful reindeer, instantly setting a merry tone for the festivities ahead. Inside each one, I found a party hat, a joke to tickle the funny bone, and a little gift to bring smiles to the faces of my guests. Number 1. JOYIN Christmas Party Favors. It's 8 packs of Christmas party favors, each with a cute design. Inside, you'll find a party hat, jokes, and a fun little toy. These festive party favors will add a touch of holiday cheer to any family gathering. They're perfect for making your dinner party extra special. They include a variety of fun items like playing cards, a ring toss, bowling pins, and more. There's something for everyone to enjoy. The box, favors, and toys are all made from safe, high-quality materials, so you can relax and let the kids have fun. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not completely happy, please contact us, we're here to help. What we like. This set includes 8 crackers with unique and exciting gifts inside, elevating your Christmas dinner. The selection of gifts offers something special for everyone. If you want to impress your guests with unique and fun gifts, this is the one to choose. What people say. They have a joke, tiny toy, and paper crown inside each one. We all put on the hats and enjoyed the riddles. The toys were great. My kids loved these adorable crackers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.